I'll show you how to delete browsing history and cache from Microsoft Edge. If this video is helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. Cache can be useful because it stores website data and it lets you load the website faster every time you visit it. However, with new versions of the website coming out, the old saved cache can conflict with the new version. So to clear browsing history and cache, you first click these three dots in the upper right corner and then go to Settings. In Settings, you want to go to Privacy Search and Services and then go to Clear Browsing Data. In here, click on Choose What to Clear. And now you can select what you want to clear. And you can also select how far back you want to delete, the last hour or delete everything. And then you just press Clear Now.